Let's re-energize from head to toe as we stretch and twist our way to a more toned waist, core, and more, all while entirely seated in a chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated knee raise march. Raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top, exhale, reach one arm down your leg and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Pausing at center, open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lift your left leg, and circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Maintain the position of your right leg, flexing through your heel. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left. Rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Placing your left hand behind you for support. Maintain your hips facing forward. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upwards, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, chest, shoulders, and outer left hip. Unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Slowly lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Maintain the position of your left leg as you draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your left hand to your right leg, inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Placing your right hand behind you for support. Keep the energy and alignment of your left leg, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help you to remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.